Hey Google, turn on the white light. Okay guys, let me know how you guys like this setup, the lighting. We're just going to try it out. If you see a head pop up in the back, it is my little sister. So don't be scared. Nobody's trying to kill me. And also, if you hear the noise in the back, it is the fan because it is hot in my house. But we gotta work with what we got. We have 3 videos coming back to back. So the first one is going to be the BH Cosmetics. Then it's going to be the pink clove haul. And then also it's going to be the Savage Fenty lingerie video. Okay, so we got a lot to do. So I put a poll on Instagram about which video you guys wanted first. It was either the pink clove or the BH Cosmetics, and BH Cosmetics won. Okay, so here's the package that I ordered. Everything was half off, which I love BH Cosmetics. I like how they do the sales. It's always a sale. Every day is a sale, basically. So if you want some affordable, good quality makeup, go to BH Cosmetics. They always have sales, and plus, it's a lot of YouTubers who they collab with, where you can use their discount code also. So like this is just one of the collections that they had, the Stellar Lash Mascara collection. Then they had the Brazil, and then they also had the Daisy Marquez collection, which I was gonna get hers, but I was like, I could always go back and get it. I just wanted to get those things first. Okay, so a little drink. Like, I'm trying to find good angles here because I don't want her to really be in the video like that. But anyway, I already moisturized my face with just some shea butter and all that. But first, let me show you guys the things. That's why you're here. You wanted to see the BH Cosmetics. I'm also going to be doing a look on it in this video, so you know. So this was a free gift. This was just the floral blush in the color Honolulu Hideaway. And y'all, one thing about the BH Cosmetics, man, these little boxes was hard to open. So that is what this one looks like. If you can see it. I don't know. I will be posting like a picture on it of everything after I post the video on my Instagram. This is the Rosy Ray lipstick. I do have her palette, which I did not order with this. I actually found her palette at Marshall's for like $4, $5. So I just got the lipstick. I would have got the lip gloss too, but I don't know how much everything would have came up to. Then I have the BH Cosmetics Color Festival palette, and these are the colors. So very bright. Has some good shimmers in there. Wow. Gotta mess it up. Just a little. That's fine. That's fine. Then I have the Take Me Back to Brazil brush set. So this is a 10-piece brush set. I might use it in this video. Yeah. We'll see. We'll see. So it's a powder brush, an angled blush brush, a tapered contour brush, a round brush, large shader brush, flat shader brush, blending crease brush, detail round blending brush, pencil brush, and angled brow brush. Then I have the Take Me Back to Brazil eyeshadow palette. Now these colors are really nice. We have a few shimmer ones, but they're pretty nice. use the Color Festival palette, and I'm going to try something simple. So I'm going to take the color Chic and just put it in the crease. Then I'm gonna take the color Sequence. Put it right on the end. Then I'm going to take Fringe. Just put it all over the lid. Yeah. This is the finished look. I just really did something simple, like just purple and like a gold shimmer. Ignore the eyebrows, they're not the best. But okay, so this is the finished look, and I'm about to go straight into the next video, which will be the pink clove haul. So you guys stay tuned and click the next video that's gonna pop up at the end of this one. So if you like this makeup look, comment down below, and if you want to see me use the other palettes that I got, just leave a comment down below. All right, see you in the next one.